Think this crop residue is useless. Think again. Watch this mechanical beast turn everything in its path into pure gold. This 16:9 cinematic frame perfectly captures its relentless, artful harvest. 100 workers' labor is now commanded by one driver's fingertips. What makes this so visually satisfying? It's that dust cloud, drawing a sharp line between barren earth and vibrant life. Our drone circles like a hawk, surveying its rich domain. Trailing behind, it's a rolling factory. Rows of corn are cleanly devoured. The gleaming yellow chassis pushes forward, an unstoppable force meeting a yielding field. 30 to 40. Get ready for the most satisfying part. A golden waterfall of kernels cascades into the waiting tractor. Two giants dancing in perfect sync. From above, modern agriculture looks like a choreographed ballet. The harvest secured, the auger smoothly reaped. Up close, the spinning header blades slice through the stalks. Look closely, not one, but two mechanical leviathans are teaming up under the scorching sun. Laser straight cuts, it marches toward the lens, leaving behind a masterpiece of precision. Hugging the earth, the combine corners like a pro. Panning up, we catch a glimpse of the modern farmer inside the sealed high-tech cabin. Pretty cool, right? Dust billows, creating a cinematic masterpiece of labor. Cold steel teeth crush the stalks. It hugs the field's edge, devouring a massive row without missing a beat. Tracking this giant reveals the raw power of its massive trucks. The grain tank is completely full. This harvesting speed is simply Millions of kernels collide in the tank, the sound of pure abundance. The machine cuts across the frame, sailing this golden sea toward the horizon. A new cycle begins. The spout extends, pouring liquid gold. Soon, the truck is overflowing. Are you mesmerized by this perfect rhythm of survival yet? In a blink, the massive trailer is full again. The endless golden cascade breathes life into the harvest season. From this high angle, it resembles a giant yellow beetle cleaning a vast tank. Auger tucked away, it dives back into the next row. Wondering where the stalks go, devoured, crushed, and spat out as rich mulch to feed the earth. The tracks roll on, crushing all obstacles. The tail-end view is oddly therapeutic. Two beasts working in tandem. Check out those millimeter-perfect 90CD pure wood. Watch out, it's heading right for us. As they cross paths, the vast countryside shrinks to the size of a spinning rotor. Mechanical power is sheer magic. Inside that quiet cabin sits the modern agricultural mastermind. Calculating the perfect drop coordinates, they let gravity do the rest. Trading has never been smoother. The Feltrina truck embraces another golden payload. Kernels rain down, and boom, the spout retracts, as cold and precise as a sniper. Here's the tense part. The truck is brimming, yet the giant returns to the field, biting the very edges to extract every last ounce of nature's gold. Against hundreds of horsepower, even the toughest stalks bow down. Deep track marks line the field, draped in a warm blanket of organic waste. Backlit by the sun, the steel header gleams. It pivots with surprising grace, like an elephant strolling through its territory. The familiar duet continues. Massive workloads vanish when shared, and look, the spout extends again. Have you lost count of the payloads? A mini mountain emerges. This radiant gold fills every gap. It's not just food, it's the lifeblood of a massive industry. Hatch closed, it refuses to rest. Slicing through the withered field, it breaches the plant barrier with ruthless efficiency. Only stubble remains. As the drone pulls back, the machine becomes a glittering speck in a brown sea, completing Mother Nature's eternal cycle. Think this machine ever gets tired? Watch those tracks pivot. It corners like a dancer. The sweeping view captures its stoic power as it swallows the crop. It's an armored scarab. Spitting out aerated mulch, it leaves a barren strip under the summer perfect ecological need. Dust rises like a silent battlefield. The combine reverses slightly to gain momentum, then perfectly aligns with the next one. Zero wasted movement. Inside, millions of kernels vibrate and clash. Panning from the side, the endless golden field yields to this technological marvel. The golden stream erupts again as the truck pulls into position. A seamless commercial rhythm, like a meticulously orchestrated symphony. In seconds, the spout smoothly retracts, ensuring not a single kernel of hard work is lost. From above, it's a giant puzzle. The harvest continues, trailing a dusty haze in the afternoon wind. The tracks press on. In a highly satisfying sequence, it relentlessly pulls stalks in and discards the lifeless husks. A wide shot sweeps the field. Under blue skies, the two machines parallel each other, quietly dividing the day's final chores. Top speed, it pierces the road like a golden framed tight on the nose. This steel muscle demands your attention. One last turn and the tank signals full. Through the glass cabin, you sense the driver's intense focus as the final truck rolls. The auger reaches out, the combine inches close. Boomer relentless pull creates the final golden peak. The last batch drops, the spout tucks away. Another harvest season officially closed, flawlessly executed. Tailing the machine, the field is now completely clear. The last patches of corn have vanished. The mission is accomplished. As the video fades, the giant powers down. A sweeping view of the vast estate leaves us in absolute awe of human ingenuity. See you next golden season.